Meeting notes often mix confirmed decisions, assigned work, unfinished discussion, and open questions. When those notes are summarized without clear rules, suggestions can become decisions and missing owners or deadlines can be invented. A reliable workflow must preserve what the meeting actually established and keep every unresolved detail visible. In this tutorial, we will use a tested meeting notes worker to turn one realistic meeting record into a reviewed action plan. We will submit the saved notes, inspect the required sections, compare the result with the source, preserve every missing owner and deadline, and save reviewed-action-plan.md. No follow-up will be described as completed. The meeting notes worker follows a fixed contract. It uses only the supplied notes, separates decisions from discussion, records confirmed action items, identifies open questions and required follow-ups, and displays missing information warnings. When an owner or deadline is absent, it must say not specified. Every result must remain pending human review. The example meeting covers the redesigned client intake workflow. The team decided to release the intake form first and postpone the automated portal. Aisha and Devin have confirmed assignments and deadlines. The FAQ update has no owner or deadline. The Calendly idea was discussed but not approved. The privacy notice remains an open question, and the legal follow-up has no assigned owner. Now submit the saved notes to the tested meeting notes worker. This is a simulated demonstration based on the verified procedure. The worker returns 6 required sections: decisions, action items, open questions, required follow-ups, missing information warnings, and human review status. It keeps every unsupported owner and deadline marked not specified. Review the action plan against the original meeting notes. The Calendly link must remain a discussion, not a decision. The FAQ update and legal follow-up must not receive invented owners or deadlines. Aisha's and Devin's assignments must retain their exact dates. Human review protects the difference between an actionable record and a confident-looking summary that changes what happened. The reviewed artifact preserves the confirmed intake form decision, Aisha's August 5th deadline, and Devin's August 1st deadline. It keeps the FAQ owner and deadline unspecified, leaves the Calendly discussion unresolved, retains the privacy question, and shows that the legal follow-up has no owner or deadline. Save this verified result as reviewed-action-plan.md. The workflow is complete when every decision and action matches the source notes, missing information remains visible, all 6 output sections are present, and the reviewed artifact is saved. The status must still say pending human review, and no follow-up may be described as completed. Reuse this worker and review process after future client, project, or team meetings.